In this video, Ayanna has a new toy reveal. It's a lab in a box. Check it out. Hey everybody!
Hey buddy!
Welcome to Ayanna's Amazing Adventures! So we got a surprise. Ayanna, do you know what it is? What do we have?
Penguin!
We have a kids science experiment kit, right? It's called Lab in a Box. So we want to check it out. We're going to open everything up and see what you got in there, right? Because you're ready to do your science experiment. Okay, so let's see. Let's take it out of the box. So this is a kids science kit. It's called Lab in a Box. Okay, and it's by Learn and Climb. Just a little toy we got offline. Let's open it up and check it out, right? Let's see what they have. Ooh, you got a lab coat. And we put your name. They got your ID and some safety goggles. Wow. Let's see what else. Let's see the book. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Ooh, come on, let's take everything out the box first. Before we try our first science experiment. Let's take everything out the box. Come on, take all the stuff out. Don't pour it out. Take it out one by one so everybody can see what you have. Oh, we got Petri dishes. Ooh, volcano. We can do a volcano today.
I got maker.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that's a lot of good stuff. Let's see. What's this? We got some glue. Ooh, food coloring. That's probably to help with the volcano. And ooh, wow, we got a lot of nice little pack of citric acid and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Some foaming agents. A beaker. Do you know what a beaker is? What is a beaker? Right. It helps you to do the measuring for your science projects. That's right. You pour it in the little test tubes. You're going to open one up? Okay, what else you have over there? Something else over there. What's that? A funnel. Okay, and what's that in the package right there?
Four.
Oh, it's like for your measuring and stirring. Okay, cool. You like this? And you're able to do over 20 experiments. So you ready to start one today? I know you're ready. You got your testing tubes. You got them opened up. Okay. All right, so we're going to get started on something. You want to do a volcano and learn about volcanoes? Okay, cool. Let's get everything set up, okay? Okay, first, everybody, she's going to try on her lab coat. You got your lab coat? And you got an ID and safety goggles because we have to be safe, right? Let's see. Let's open it up. Let's put that on. Go ahead. Put your arms in. Other arm. Nope. Take this off. Take this out. You're going to put your other arm in. Stay right here. Put your arm in there. There you go. Got it? Okay. I'm going to put your other arm in. Oh, wow. Look at you. You're official. Let's button it up. Okay. Let's see what else we got. So ahead of time, I kind of put her name on her ID. Ayanna, you're the scientist. Go ahead, put your ID on. Because you have to make sure you have clearance in order to get into the building. You know, you just can't be a scientist or anybody walking in, right? You have to be safe at all times. So we got to make sure. Uh-oh. She's going under. Getting her ID. Got to make sure we're safe at all times, right? And you have clearance to get into the building. Because we can't just have anybody getting into the science lab, right? It could be very dangerous. Okay, let's see. They got some safety goggles. Let's open these up, see if they work. We're going to call you Doctor. Dr. Ayanna.
No, Dr. Penguin.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if those goggles fit. Let's see what's going on here. Because you have to be safe. Make sure nothing splashes in your eyes. That's right. Let's see if they fit. Oh, you got them upside down. Take them off.
Upside down.
Yeah, I know. You love wearing all your glasses like that. For some reason, guys, she loves wearing her glasses upside down. It's her signature. Okay, they're too big. Let me help you. Let's see. Take them off. Okay, you kind of got tangled up here. Okay. So we're going to leave the safety goggles out. Okay, so we're going to come back. We're going to set everything up so we can do a volcano. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, Ayanna, so we're going to start on our volcano experiment. You excited?
Yeah.
I think I'm more excited than you, right? Okay, so we have our little book. It gives us like a chart of everything of how of instructions, what supplies and things that you need for the kit. So for the supplies, it says we need the yellow measuring spoon. We got that? Mm-hmm. Okay. We also need baking soda. We have some in a little container. We need the citric acid. We also need a coloring agent. So which color do you want to choose out of the...
Red.
Red, me too. I like that one too. It looks better for a volcano, right? Because it looks more like the lava. Have you seen lava before? Where did you see it? On TV? Oh yeah. And lava, is lava cold or is lava hot?
Lava hot.
It's hot. Yes, it's very hot. Like you can't even touch it, right? Because we don't want to touch it. It's very dangerous. You got to stay away. Okay?
I need help.
That's right. You do need help when it comes to a volcano. That's right. Okay, so the first thing we're supposed to do. Oh, it also says we need a plate, some dishwashing soap. We have some here. Some dish soap. And then we also need water. So we have water. We put a little water in the beaker because it says that we need 15 milliliters for water. So first, we need to place our volcano. We're going to use some paper towel for the volcano. Just, because it's going to get a little messy. That's why we have a tablecloth down, right? Yeah, because we don't want it to get too messy. Let's turn it around so everybody can see how it goes. Okay, so first, we're going to place this here. So when that lava comes out, it's going to ooze out onto the paper towel. So we're going to take our measuring spoon. And you're going to take two. Yes, that's right. So you're going to dip it in there and get 1 and 2 scoops. And put it inside the volcano. Okay? Got it? Let's help you out. Let's do this. We're going to take 2 big scoops like this. Because we want to make sure we have that good lava, right? So put it inside the volcano. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, we're going to take another scoop. Put that inside the volcano. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Then it says we're going to take, let's put this off to the side. Then we're going to take 1 large spoonful of citric acid. Okay. Looks like sugar, but remember guys, do not eat any of these items, right? Now stir that up. Don't waste any out. Wait, take it slow. That's right. Take it slow. Make sure it's stirred up real good. Let's see.
Okay.
You sure it's stirred up real good? Okay. Then we're going to take our water. Hold that. And we're going to take 1 large spoon. Wait, hold on. Not yet. No. Don't pour it yet. You got to wait because we have to add our lava color. So you got to wait. So we're going to take 1 large spoon for the dish soap. Now stir that up in there.
Okay.
Stir that up. Got it? You having fun? Scientist Ayanna, we are coming into your laboratory, right?
Right.
Now don't do anything just yet. Okay. Now we're going to add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring. Wait. Now you gotta be careful because this is gonna explode like real lava. So you gotta be careful. Okay, so we're gonna take 1 drop. Get your spoon because you gotta mix it up. We're gonna take 1 drop. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Wait. Boop. Okay, now stir it up.
I finished.
You want? Wait. Let's do 1 more drop. Make it a little bit more red, right? Boop. Okay, stir it up. Okay, be careful. Now, you're going to pour the mixture. Give me the spoon. Now, did you know, Ayanna, while we were doing that there are some famous volcanoes in the world? Such as, let's see, Mount St. Helens and Mount Fuji. Now, here, continue to stir. Stir it up a little bit more. Just make sure it's mixed really good. And did you know that scientists who study volcanoes, they're called...
I finished.
You finished? Oh, okay. So let's see. You ready to pour it in there? Pour slowly. Wait. Okay, now watch it erupt. Whoa. Look at that. That's lava.
Whoa.
That is so cool. Whoa.
I need blue.
That is so... Oh, now you want to do blue? Look at that. Lava is just like lava.
Ooh.
Did you know that the scientists who study volcanoes, they measure things like temperature of lava, amount of smoke,
Wow.
the rumblings in the ground, and many other factors? Oh, no. You're not supposed to touch lava. It's hot. It's hot. Lava's hot. Isn't that so cool? That is awesome. Really? Now, did you know actual lava, you can't get too close and you can't touch it because it's so hot.
Ooh.
Yes, and you can't do anything. It's a force of nature, honey. Did you know that volcanoes which consist of gas, lava. The bubbles? Ooh, the lava is exploding.
I'm popping.
The bubbles are popping. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
That is awesome. So that's just one of the science experiments that you could try with your kids' science lab in a box. Isn't that great?
Yes.
We have many more experiments to come, right?
I need this one.
Just yet?
I need this one. Oh.
So Ayanna wanted to do blue lava this time. It's okay. Mix it up really good. All right, now you ready to pour it? Come on. Pour it in there. Put the spoon down. Whoa. Now it's blue lava.
I make green lava.
We'll do green next time. Isn't that cool? Wow. Ayanna, did you know that some volcanoes, or all volcanoes, are responsible for some of the most powerful and devastating events in human history? Every day you walk on the ground. That is a layer of earth known as the crust, right? It is made of huge slabs of rock called plates. These plates are in constant motion across the earth. They move very slowly through about 1 to 4 centimeters per year. Did you know that? You did? Really?
Yeah.
Really? Did you know that the plates move because the manta, which is the layer of the earth under the crust, is like a giant ocean of magma? Do you know what magma is? Magma is lava before it reaches the surface. Oh, wow. You're putting lava into the cup now? Oh, really? That's going to burn. Since magma in the mantle is always moving around, the plates will move on top. Plates sometimes move under or over one another. Now, since magma is less dense than the solid rock, it is pushed up to the surface. When enough magma builds up and the magma chamber under the volcano gets too full, the volcano will erupt. Oh, you're trying to make more now? Really? Scientist Ayanna on a mission. So what did you think about this experiment?
Good.
You liked it? Okay, and you're still trying, huh? Trying to add more lava. Just dump it in there. Here, do this. Let's see what happens.
Okay, I need green.
No, not green. Let's see, citric acid. Whoa, there it is.
I need those. I need those.
All right, so that's it, guys. No, that's not it?
Not it.
Really? We're not done?
I'm not done.
What? But we gotta say bye to everybody.